Hi everyone, my name's Frank, and I'm the user advocate for Artsman, and welcome to our series on refunds in Theater Manager. In this video, we'll be creating a report on refunds. Okay, let's dig in. When a performance or event is canceled and refunds have been issued, it's nice to see at a glance who's been refunded and for how much. And there's one report in Theater Manager that's particularly suited to this task. Welcome to the Transaction History by Event report. This report breaks down the event, the transaction date, the patron and ticket details, the employee who performed the transaction, along with the debit and credits associated with each entry. A financial summary for each event is also shown, including ticket prices, fees, taxes, etc. To start with, we open the Report module and head down to the Transaction History Reports category. On the right, we select the Transaction History by Event report. This brings us to the Criteria window, which may or may not be blank, depending if we've used this report before. To start with a clean slate, let's click the Clear button. To insert our criteria, we click on the new icon in the toolbar, which opens the Parameters window. The two pieces of criteria we'll be using are Order Date Updated and Transaction Code. Let's take each of these in turn. Order Date Updated is found in the Orders menu. When selected, Theater Manager will ask us to define a date search so it knows when to look for the transactions. In our example, I'm going to start my search 2 days prior. There we go. When ready, we'll click the Add Continue button and enter our second piece of criteria. Next, pull down the Patron Transactions menu and select the Trancode option. A condition menu will appear on the right, showing us all the possible transaction codes built into Theater Manager. In this list, we're looking for the ticket refund code. As we can see, there's a long list of possible transaction codes, so let's use the filter at the top of the window to find our code a little faster. We'll click into the filter and type all or part of the word that we're looking for. In this case, we'll type refund to narrow down the list. From here, we select the ticket refund and click Save to come back to the main criteria window. Okay, now we have our two pieces of criteria to generate the report. But before moving on, let's do a little formatting. On the Sort button, I always like to uncheck the pagination option to help save a little on paper. And on the Titles tab, because we're running a really specific refund report, I'm going to give it a custom title, like Refund Report March 18th, 2020. With our formatting options selected, we'll click the Done button to generate the report. As we scroll through, we see all the refunds processed over the previous 2 days, including to what patron, for how much, which employees processed which transaction, along with the event financial summary. Okay, time to recap. First, we'll open the Report module. Second, we'll select the Transaction History by Event report. Third, we enter the desired criteria. Fourth, we customize the look and title of the report as needed. And finally, we click Done to generate the report. And that's it. We hope you've enjoyed this video. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.